In this video, I'll show you how to add a new site, new users, and how to use magic links on SEO testing. To follow these instructions, make sure you are logged into SEO testing and the Google account that has Google Search Console access to the site. You can add a site from the drop-down you see at the top of the screen or from the Launchpad. After you press the Add a New Website button, you will see a box where you should enter the site URL. Please use the canonical URL of the site here. Now let's see the optional settings if you want to filter data for the website. The first optional setting is the ability to filter traffic for one country. Just select the country you want to see traffic data displayed from the list, or leave it empty if you don't want to filter data based on a country. When you use the country filter, SEO testing will only display data from that country. Next, we have the dimension filter, so you can choose to filter data by pages or queries. Then pick the filter type you want. You will be able to pick contains, not contains, equals, not equals, including rejects or excluding rejects. For example, this gives you the option to create a filter to only show data from the blog subfolder. Another example of a filter is excluding brand queries from the data, which is possible with the excluding rejects option. Please remember that it's not possible to change these filter settings later without deleting the website and adding a new one. Now let's continue the process. Press the Add Site button, then log into the Google account that has Google Search Console access to the website. Then grant SEOtesting.com access to your Google account. We ask this permission to read data from your Google Search Console. Press Continue and select the website from the list of sites appearing on the screen to finish the setup. As a side note, we recommend selecting SC domain whenever possible, as it has data for all the subdomains in the property, which is what you want in most cases. If you have other users in your account, you can also grant them access to the site in the setup process by checking the box near their email address. Speaking of other users, you can invite team members or even a customer to your SEO testing account so they can access the tool. To add users, go to the Account tab, then click on User Management and the Add a New User button. Here, enter the name and email of the user and select the website you want them to have access to. Before you finish, you can change their email alerts or leave it as it is. One important thing is managing users in your account. From the User Management tab, select the user you want to manage. You can make them an SEO testing account admin, which will give them the same permissions as you to new websites, add new members, or even delete members. Non-admin users can still create SEO tests and access reports, but won't be able to access some account settings or know what other sites you have in the account. To delete a user, just press the Delete button on the right side of the screen. On some pages and reports, you will find a Share button, which allows you to create magic links. These links are a great way to give access to just one page or report of SEO testing without having to create an account for another person. This is useful if you want to share a page with a lot of people at the same time but don't want to create an account for each one, or if you just want to give read access to a page. Please select for how long you want the magic link to be active and press the Create button. Now your magic link is ready to share. From the account settings, you can find the magic links created on your account. If you have additional questions, contact our team via the chat widget on the app or via the email support@seotesting.com. Thanks for using SEO testing.